Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
You are under arrest.
I'm an alien. You can't arrest me.
I can. And I have house arrested you.
Oh ho 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 ho. On the count of 3, 2, 1. Action.
Hello, Mad Hatter, and welcome to our 25th episode. I know Sabika and I are doing this back to back for the straight 25 days because not only in our home, we are house arrested in another home called Mad Heart Talks to bring you conversations straight from the Mad Heart, and hopefully they have been relevant so far. Of course, we are talking a lot about the lockdown and the COVID 19 outbreak, and we can no longer escape the question, which is tell us, what does staying at home mean to you? We sincerely hope you're not stuck in a situation you don't want to be. And definitely, this is another deep dive. But true to our characteristics, let's start with something light and then see.
Okay. So, what are we starting with? I have no clue.
I'm under house arrest with no pressure for round rotis. Your turn.
For no pressure for round rotis.
No
Okay.
pressure at all.
I am under house arrest with a lot of pressure for कल रोटी बनाना जरूर सभी का. मेरे घर में चावल 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 खाए जा रहे हैं. मेरी मम्मा, because it's Ramzan, she's fasting, so my father's making breakfast and I'm making lunch. And of course, I don't know how to make rotis. So because I don't know how to make rotis, now there is suddenly like, why don't you Sabika tomorrow try करके देखो बेटा, try करके देखो.
But that brings me to the point. Traditionally, these round rotis are associated with the marriage monster that there is. And if you are one of those unfortunate women or men stuck with your family or just your parents who have been nagging you to get married, tell us what it is like.
I remember, for that matter, only realizing a little too late that I always wanted to live with my parents. I always wanted to live in Delhi, but because the marriage monster had entered in my household, in my parental household, like this elephant in the room, monkey on the back, full boo, you can imagine. So, yeah, I kind of kept running away and moving from city to city, only to realize too late that wherever I go, the marriage monster is becoming bigger and meaner. And I was like, maybe it's time to return home. जहाँ पे रहने का मन है वहीं पे रहो. And yeah, like it was in almost entirely to avoid conversations. And I would get so much anxiety when I would be coming back home, even for a weekend, because I would be like, मैं बैंगलोर से आऊँ या बॉम्बे से आऊँ, I would be like, अब तो जेल में जाना पड़ेगा, जेल की रोटी खानी पड़ेगी, तो ये बातें करनी पड़ेंगी.
It's rather sad. And I do remember there was one point in our lives, Sabika, where I really wanted to make a documentary in which I wanted to have an interactive element where I thought it'll be cool to have the India map and the cities you just travel just to deflect your parents from the marriage monster. But I think it's graver than that, where God forbid you're stuck in your home and home is not a safe space. What do you do? Obviously, we won't have answers to that. But we would love to know, what are you stuck at home with? I know I'm usually very much at home, being at home, because my work is online. And it doesn't matter. Obviously, I miss my cafes, but it doesn't matter if I'm, like working from home. So, yeah, I
Hmm.
don't get the sense of being stuck.
Interesting. No, I don't get the sense of being stuck now because of the workshops that we've been talking about, essentially workshops with my parents, for those who have just joined us. For a month, I did those, and I think even before they began, I had actually sort of had a very, very harsh no means no kind of conversation on our family WhatsApp group, which helped. But otherwise, I think parents have a tendency of wanting to pass it off as a phase and say, this too shall pass, and then keep coming back and keep coming back. But I do think that if it is feeling like harassment, I know it's difficult to call it out when it's your own family, but at least let's acknowledge it that we're feeling harassed, and then maybe not necessarily throw it at your parents in those words. That won't help. But yeah, like maybe figure out better ways to, creative ways to communicate that this is not okay.
And if you have access to Sabika in whichever form, do call her because she has championed this, nailed it. And how? By designing a full on workshop. And you're right, it's not easy to say no to parents. And try telling this to your parents and that you're harassing us. तुम मुझे तंग करने लगे हो. And you will get one chamat on your face right there. कि बेटा आओ, अब बताते हैं कौन किसको तंग कर रहा है. But
Yeah.
on that note, we would definitely want to hear your comments on how are you coping, and if there is anything which you would like to share. God forbid you are stuck with an abuser or an abusive environment. There are plenty of helplines to reach out to them, and my favorite line in any situation is help will always be available at Hogwarts to those who seek it. Help will be always available to Hogwarts to those who seek it. Do seek that help.
Hogwarts came into the picture. Okay, so let's offer some witchy, wizard-like love. Aye, aye. Yes, love you. And magically, this will reach you also.
It is now.